Let's get you set up with a tempered glass screen protector. Before we begin, make sure you have your device with you. Firstly, open the box and take out the alignment frame with screen protector and envelope that holds your instructions, cleaning kit, and smoothing tool. Set these aside for later on. Next, remove the screen protector from the alignment frame. Now, place your device in the alignment frame. Use the cleaning kit to remove any dust from the screen. Place the screen protector over the frame and press in the 5 points to align. Slowly pull tab down to remove the film in between screen protector and device. Now, lightly press down and slide from center towards the edges of your device. Now, peel off the top film from the top left corner. Use the smoothing tool to slide any bubbles towards the edges of the glass. You are now set up and ready to start using your device. For more information on Bosstab products, visit bosstab.com.